kwega
otizira kwega shohoje
akesharingo ka Hamlet Kabushenga hamwe n'ekikosi cyeye ecyabiraye bembiri katandikira hishimero rya Kirema Parents rumwe hamashomero gari hansi y'ikitongore cya CHIEFCODE. Kabushenga kabaho chancellor wo kubanza w'itendekero rya Great Lakes Regional University bwa nyuma yije yahumuzwe. Abira inempango hamwe n'amafuka rukucwero bwanga agumize ngunateka kubinga bebembezi b'ishomero rya Kirema Parents School.
Or you want to talk and let me talk. I'm listening.
I'm not ready to. It's okay. Whatever drama you want to make, I'm not ready to do that.
I'm kneeling.
That means for the safety of the children.
I'm kneeling for an
I want you
opportunity
and
to
your team
talk.
out. The children continue.
I am kneeling for an opportunity to talk.
I'm a small man. You go
May I
and kneel
talk?
in offices.
May I talk?
Talk. But can we talk from outside?
May I talk?
Let's talk from outside the gate.
Are you evicting me?
I'm not evicting
Then
you.
why are you telling me to get off my
I'm
land?
protecting the children.
Why do you tell me to get off my land? Let me talk. One.
Hamunatumanya headmaster w'ishomero rya Kirema Parents School ashoborire ngo Hamlet Kabushenga izera ari kutere ntoma hanze ari kutinusereza kubamaraho.
So iyo ijari n'emihiri bine mpango bine mihini bayeje makutaho mu geti na Rwanda ba geti bakizamanyi batahamu Hamlet wewe nka kenyine yakwate mpango ko ngojintero mutwe na Agacencwire habaho skafu ya mani
akavuyo kona kumuri kureba ninye katandikiraho ukameyishomero kwampire umurimo na kera nararika abakozi nayisha no mushenyi kunayika hanoya nebitiyo nefuka naza kunaiza gushumuho bati staff y'ishomero yija bankwata bantamigoyi natere simu ndibashaka abantu kabankumu aho akavuyo katandikira ababona tibija ngubizire kutahirira ishomero bija kuranza kabanyohereza kombeka kandi ekituma bankwata niki
Omukire kache Poorisi ya KANUNGU kiro mwanya wo batwara Kabushenga gukora statement konkana bwa nyuma yo kurugayo arahire ko atarukuza kuhumuza mutwa hanze.
I am here at KANUNGU police station because there is an international criminal gang which has worked for 14 years to steal my institutions and use them for bad practices. And the perpetrators of this are Mr. John Rutherford. He is the one commanding. Policemen surrounded me with guns. I had to kneel down to make sure that I do not get shot.
muri twaje meeting na DPC na meya w'etawuni hamwe n'abandi banzi bakuru kandi urukiko rwamushaba nk'ubu ngo umuntu uretegereza ariko kutwara cyo mu ngabo yanamanya ngo ishomere nerigeye ari rondo mu buragiro byonyine areke kuhende biragiro katwara biragiro mu ngabo nyowe nkanye ka headmaster hano ndiho umubiragiro ako katunge baruha bari kweta appointment letter kurwa executive director uri kuri kitongore ekindi kukolera.
But police has fortunately intervened, spoken to the parties, emphasized that they should exercise restraint, and we are now really looking forward to each of them exercising restraint until the matters are decided by court.
Nikijuka ngo Kabushenga kuyahumwire amashomero baga kwaso mikono ya weekend zatwase na nyamishana ekikabushenga twire na hakanuza. Ekitongoro cha CHIEFCODE nikitwara amashomero nka Kirema Parents Primary School, Nyamirima Parents Primary School, Nyakabungo Parents Primary School, Rutenga Parents Primary School, Great Lakes Regional University na Great Lakes High School. Gashaka Uwezo Wilfred.